Ever wondered why hiccups sneak up on you at the worst times? Spoiler, it's not because your body's bored. Alternate opening. If you don't like random hiccups but still gulp your drinks too fast, then you might want to hear this. Hiccups are like your body's little surprise party, except no one asked for them. Here's the science. When you eat or drink too quickly, or even laugh a lot, your diaphragm, a muscle under your lungs, gets annoyed and suddenly spasms. This spasm causes you to suck in air super fast and your vocal cords snap shut. That's the hic sound. Luckily, hiccups usually go away on their own. Next time you get the hiccups, just remember it's your diaphragm's way of throwing a tantrum. Try holding your breath or sipping water slowly, but if all else fails, just laugh it off.